My name is Shari. I'm a dance fitness instructor. I run a dance fitness company called Beauty and the Beat, and we run various classes such as Zumba and Boogie Bounce Extreme. Being Llyn has helped me because it enabled me to further develop my dance fitness company. I wanted to offer more classes. I'd already taught Zumba fitness, so I'd already qualified as well to do Boogie Bounce Extreme, but obviously couldn't afford at the time the equipment, so it helped me actually purchase the equipment, and now I'm able to offer a more variety of classes, and I'm able to further progress my business now. I'm actually being able to bring in money and start my business. I would definitely encourage more young people to try for support and funding through Being Llyn, because if you're wanting to start a business and you've got no way of actually sort of getting the funds together, it just helps. It gives you that start that maybe you can't get otherwise. So yeah, definitely I would encourage more people to try for it. For the future, I'd like to see my business progress to offering more classes. Now that I've actually got some sort of stable income, I can actually go and do more training and offer a variety of classes in the future. In more areas around the Llyn and the White, and even further than that.